Welcome to ExpertWorks, a leading cloud-based e-learning platform. This is the expert level course on Java. In this course, we will cover more advanced topics like JDBC, Lambda Expressions, and demonstrations on important applications. Please check out the animation video for the topics that you are going to learn in the current course.
In the expert level course, you will learn about JDBC. Wondering what JDBC is? JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity, a standard Java API for database-independent connectivity between the Java programming language and a wide range of databases. JDBC is used to write various executables, such as Java applications, Java applets, Java servlets, Java server pages, and Enterprise Java Beans. It allows Java programs to have database-independent codes. Java API uses JDBC drivers to connect to the database. There are 4 types of JDBC drivers: JDBC ODBC Bridge Driver, Native Driver, Network Protocol Driver, and Thin Driver. Next, you will be introduced to Java 8 and Java 9 features. While learning Java 8, you will be introduced to Lambda Expressions. What are Lambda Expressions? Lambda Expressions are believed to be the biggest feature of Java 8, and facilitate functional programming and simplify development to a great extent. A Lambda expression is an anonymous function, having no name and class. In Java, a method or function has 4 main parts: name, parameter list, body, and return type, whereas a Lambda expression in Java has only 2 parts: body and parameter list. Since the function is anonymous, no name is required. Java 8 compiler can infer the return type by checking the code, so no need to mention the return type also. Some of the benefits of using Lambda expressions include conciseness, reduction in code bloat, increased readability, elimination of shadow variables, encouragement of functional programming, code reuse, enhanced iterative syntax, and simplified variable scope. After this, you will learn about the regular expressions in Java. Regular expressions are a special sequence of characters that helps you find other strings or sets of strings. They are used to search, edit, or manipulate text and data.
Hope you will become an expert in Java programming with this course. Happy learning!